What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Space ID and the ID token. Wanted to do a brief update on that since it was requested quite a bit, and it's been a while since I covered it, and it's still it's still an interesting token. I mean, usually these Binance Launchpad projects stay volatile for a while, and there's still a lot of opportunities and just chances and potential in the coin. So I wanted to do a brief update on that. We'll take a look at market structure, and we'll take a look at what I think is going to happen next, and just in general go over everything I think you need to know. Before we get into Space ID specifically though, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me in my profitable trading signal group, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now onto Space ID. So to start off with kind of the market structure, what you could see is that basically until the 2nd of April, so last Sunday, we were still quite bullish. We were trending up, we were respecting it very much, but in the end, this level right here around 50 and 51 cents was just too strong. So from there, we dropped down, got a bearish breakout, got quite a lot of bearish momentum as well, and since then we have been in, you could call it a downtrend, you could call it an uptrend. I mean, we're making higher lows somewhat. We're making more lower highs than, though. But altogether, I think we're just consolidating a bit. You can see that technically we are trending, but the ADX is dropping down. And in general, you can also see that it's basically since Monday, we've kind of been moving sideways. So the big question is can we actually get out of this? Can we get some sort of a rally? Because usually what you see with these Binance Launchpad projects is that at some point they will get some sort of a rally. So for Space ID, that would have to be breaking above 50 cents. If we can do that, I think we can start a rally. But now, obviously, we are not even really close to that level yet. So the biggest thing right now is that you can see a bit of bullish momentum coming into Bitcoin right now. I'm not sure if that's going to last. I don't think so. I think we would need to see some more support here around 27,500. But you can see that also coming for Space ID and for the ID token, a bit of bullish momentum. So the big thing is that I think we will drop down a bit more towards this level right here around 44 and a half cents. But from there, I do think we can actually trend up towards our main resistance level around 47 cents. Now there it gets interesting because this really is quite a strong trend line. I would argue it's stronger than this one, than the ascending, the support trend line. So that level is, I think, the most, I think we'll get there, whether it's now or with some more resistance, I think we'll get there. So that's around 47 cents. But that's going to be important because from that resistance, we're going to drop down to 45 and a half cents. And we would need to hold that and kind of start testing 47 a bit more so that we get into kind of a market structure like this. Kind of, I mean, it cannot be 100%, but something like this. If we get into that, then I actually think we can get up to 50 cents, and then from there we can start to talk about breaking above 50 cents. But right now, I mean, just to be fair with you and to be honest, it looks pretty far away. It looks like this consolidation, which ultimately you could also stretch from 50 cents to 44 cents and argue that it has been going on since the 25th of March. It's a strong consolidation, and I don't think we will break above that or below that soon. So in the meanwhile, I think we'll see some more bullish momentum on the short term, but overall I think we'll just stay in this kind of range and move sideways. But I'll monitor it, I'll keep you updated on that, but for now that's my take on Space ID. So thank you for watching, take care today, and bye.